All right. Ooh, we covered a lot last time, so let's do it again. So welcome back to AI from Baby Steps to Breakthroughs. I'm so excited to have you here, and let's dive into episode number 3. And this episode's title is AI's first word, understanding language. Today we're going to explore how AI began to grasp the complexities of human language.
So picture a baby, wide-eyed and curious and starting to babble and form its first words. This stage is filled with excitement and wonder as the baby begins to understand and interact with the world through language. Similarly, AI's journey into understanding language was a thrilling time full of breakthroughs and discoveries. So in the 1960s, AI researchers began to explore natural language processing. You're going to hear that a lot in AI because this was a fundamental step. So natural language processing, or NLP, which is the ability for a machine to understand and respond to human language. One of the first significant milestones in this area was the creation of ELIZA. So you've heard me mention that before in a previous episode. So this was Joseph Weizenbaum. So this was back in 1966. ELIZA was a program that was designed to stimulate conversation by using pattern matching and substitution. Imagine a baby saying mama or dada for the first time. It's simple, but it has an incredible impact, especially for the parents. So ELIZA was like AI's first words, laying the groundwork for a more complex language understanding. So ELIZA operated by recognizing key patterns and phrases and responding with pre-programmed replies, much like a baby responding to familiar sounds and words. For example, when a user typed, "I am feeling sad," ELIZA might respond, "Why do you feel sad?" This was a basic form of interaction, but it opened up a world of possibilities for AI. As AI continued to develop its language skills, researchers worked on more advanced systems. In the 1970s and 80s, AI programs began to use more sophisticated methods to understand and generate language. For instance, SHRDLU, which Shriddle, I don't know how to pronounce that, but developed by Terry Weingrad in the early 1970s, could manipulate objects in a virtual world using natural language commands. Think of this as a baby moving from simple words to forming short sentences like, "I want cookie," or "look at doggy." Shriddle could understand commands like, "put the blue block on the red block," showcasing a deeper level of language comprehension. These early experiments with language processing were like a baby's first steps in communication. They were simple but crucial in laying the foundation for more advanced AI systems. As the years went by, AI's ability to understand and generate language improved dramatically. In the 1980s and 90s, AI researchers developed algorithms that allowed machines to learn from large data sets of text. This is like a child expanding their vocabulary by listening to conversations and reading books, or being read to. AI systems started to use statistical methods and machine learning to analyze and predict language patterns, making them more adept at understanding context and nuances. So think about ChatGPT, and when you ask a question, isn't it amazing how it can give you a fully dynamic answer for if you ask the same question multiple times? So that's how AI was developing over time. So today's AI language capabilities have grown immensely thanks to deep learning and neural networks. Modern AI can translate languages, generate human-like text, and even hold conversations that feel remarkably natural. So it's like watching a child grow from babbling to speaking fluently, engaging in more meaningful conversations with those around them. Wowee, we did that. We've journeyed through the fascinating early days of AI's language development, from Eliza's simple conversations to the complex language models of today. It's incredible to really see how far we've come. So join me in our next episode where we'll be exploring AI's first steps in simple problem solving. I can't wait to dive into this with you. It's going to be so exciting. Thank you for watching, and I want to invite you to come back and see AI's next steps. And so thanks for joining AI from Baby Steps to Breakthrough.